How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Faulks Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be discussing how I record my show videos and how I upload them to YouTube. I'm going to go through the whole process here. This probably won't be a very long video, but I hope it shows you how to do it, and maybe you guys can start doing this as a hobby as well. This isn't the only way to record. There's tons of ways, tons of different hardware as well as software that the show provides, such as the D recorder or even Nvidia Share. So you could use that to start your YouTube channel as well, or start recording as well. So the hardware that I use is behind me here. This is the HD PVR60. This is Hapod. I'm going to have a link at the bottom if you guys want to check this out. This was, when I bought it, I think it was $159. It is now $139 on their website. You can buy it used for cheaper. But this is a pretty simple setup. This guy has 3 ports. It has HDMI in, HDMI out, as well as a USB port. This is I don't recall the connector this is, but this plugs in to the back of the computer, and then your shield plugs into the HDMI in. The HDMI out goes to a video source, such as a TV, a monitor that supports the HDMI. Once you get that all hooked up, you'll then use the HD PVR software in order to start the recording. And for that, I'm going to hop onto my computer, so I'll see you there. Alright guys, now that we're over to the PC, I want to talk about the Hapod Capture. This is the software that I use to do the recording. So now that it's opened, all I need to do, make sure I see, first I verify I can see a display. I currently have what I described earlier. I have the input plugged into the HD PVR, and now I see what's on there. I'm going to make a few moves with my remote here. I know it's recording, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give it a file name. So we're going to just call this test recording. I always label these. I can come in here and change different settings. I'm going to leave it where it's at since I know it works fairly well for me. 60 frames per second. That's what's great about this HD PVR. It is 60 frames per second. So I'm going to hit the record button, and now it is recording everything that I do on the shield. And what I do, then I go in, I open up Audacity, which I have currently right now, what you're currently listening to is an Audacity recording of my audio. But what I would do at this point, I'll then open Audacity, hit record. I'll sync up the video some way, shape, or form, whether it be by vocals or be by snapping my fingers. Make some type of audible click to sync the video with my audio. And from there, I go in and do my video, do my recording, say what I need to say. Then when I'm done, come over here and click stop. I then use Premiere Pro, which is my choice of video editing software. I'm not going to do a tutorial in that unless you want one, but then I launch Premiere Pro, I put my video in, put my audio in. From there, it's a done deal. So yeah guys, that is all there is to it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This will conclude the video for today. I hope this helped you in some way, shape, or form. I've had a lot of questions on this. I'm going to be doing much more content. We're close to 1,000 subscribers, 951 the last time I checked. So if you're watching this and you got something out of the video, feel free to subscribe. I would love that. Like, share the video as well. I'm going to be having some end cards here and here. I think that's where they're going to be. We'll find out. But yeah, click on these if you like them. If not, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.